Hello Cancer, welcome to Clairgent Tarot. We are doing a quick check-in on the mid-month for the month of August, and we'll be looking at two energies: the overall energy that you have at this point of time, and also a couple of cards to understand what the advice from Spirit or Universe is for you regarding the energy or situation you are in. And we'll close it off with a couple of oracle cards as a final message. This will be a quick check-in. We'll not go too deep and clarify only if required. Yeah, so let's get started. Your overall energy is death and rebirth. So you might be for a while, I think, undergoing some major changes, and with your energy in general, Cancer, this must be a difficult period for you with all the emotions and transformation together. Let's see what else is there. Okay, this transformation or change that's coming in is taking you towards a new phase of your life with the Fool card, and the Empress indicates that this might be for some of you, this might be towards planning a new member in the family. For some of you, it might be taking steps towards your dreams, which will bring you the kind of abundance that you have been seeking. Some of you, this might be taking steps towards that final home that you wanted and missed, in the midst of the nature, or you might be planning that cottage. All major arcanas for you in the current energy. So Cancer, this might be a very highly emotional period for you. Just be a little careful of not getting overwhelmed and take things in stride as they come. All this is going to lead you to where you want to be, right? This is not an easy energy, especially for you, but have patience and things will come through. Let's look at your advice. Okay, advice is to trust your intuition, not feel left out. And let's see what more. Okay, we have two more. We have the Devil and the Eight of Swords. Okay, you seem to be worrying too much about this change. This change might be sudden and big for you. You will need to be very resilient through this and be understanding you on through this period. You already know that things are happening for better with your intuition. Your intuition is guiding here, so the message is to follow your intuition, trust it, do not get overwhelmed. You might be putting yourself in a negative energy with this Devil, Eight of Swords and Five of Pentacles together. It's more like where you are getting into that cycle of, everyone's left me alone, no one cares, no one's there for me, everyone's out there to get me. So it's time that you close your eyes, look at things through your inner eye or intuition more than what your mind tells you. There's a need to turn off your mind, and if you see this girl on this Five of Pentacles, she's sitting sadly wondering that she's alone, but the key to the door is right here, right? She just has to go pick the key, open the door and walk into that warm place. In most of the Rider-Waite tarot decks, this card is where people are just outside a church and all they have to do is go within the church and find that warmth of both shelter and support, right? You always have people who will be there for you in a place like that. So with this Devil here, be careful on how you react to the changes that are coming in. These changes are positive, good for you. If you resist them, then you are bringing yourself into this Five of Pentacles and Eight of Swords energy. So be thoughtful of that when you move ahead with anything in the coming few weeks. Let's see what the Oracle of the Fairies have to say for you. What's the advice from you there? Okay, so some of you might find music as your escape through all these changes and madness. Listen carefully, for there may be a message in the music you hear. Music can lift your soul, rekindle memories, and charm fairies to your door. So maybe you just need to listen to the right kind of music. For people who use music to lift their mood, they can go back to their favorite playlist. For people who use more spiritual music, they can use that to focus more on their intuition and move away from this energy. Let's pull one more oracle card from the Moonology deck and then close the reading. Okay, we have new moon in Libra, a new romantic cycle begins. So for those of you seeking a new relationship, there's something fresh coming in with the Fool and the Empress. This is something that you have been really wanting to, and a lot of major arcana energy for you overall. So this will be a period of, so to say, emotional turbulence for you, Cancer. Be open to the changes, and I would say take out time for yourself to process everything, and spend some time with yourself to internalize what's happening around, right? So you might need that kind of alone time at this stage. That's the energy that I'm getting. I hope this helped. Do let me know in the comments below what worked for you, what did not, and do subscribe, so that I get to know that you're liking the content and I can bring you more content. That's all I have for you today. Have a nice day. Bye bye.